men. And I use the term loosely, of course. A short special video today. A special thank you to a fellow viewer named Don, who sent me a 55 through 65 Sportster and K model parts manual with the following accompanying letter.
Hello from the Kansas City area. I'm another Harley enthusiast spending my retirement years working on old bikes, a VL and a few Harley 45s. I also have 2 Sportster engines with the rest of the bikes missing numerous parts. So with that said, I'm glad that I stumbled upon your Ironhead Cycle channel on YouTube, preparing me for a future go at working on those Sportster engines. Anyway, I have a couple of your stickers, but no cup since I don't drink coffee, un-American I know, or hot tea. So I've decided to send you a little something to thank you for your videos. In my evenings, I don't watch a lot of TV, so I spend my time at my computer scanning and editing my decent collection of Harley manuals. In one of your latest videos, you were looking through a parts manual and comparing thrust washers, I think, and you mentioned that manual was the oldest parts manual that you had. Included is an older one for your collection. Enjoy and keep the videos coming. I have other Harley manuals scanned also, so if you're looking for something, just send me a text. As an engine builder, do you prefer the engines assembled or in pieces? Signed, Don Lipsky from Missouri.
To answer your question, Don, I prefer the engines taken apart. Take them apart, clean them all up, and send them to me in pieces. Makes my life a lot easier. Just look at this manual. Apparently, Don scans these things, cleans them up electronically, and reproduces them. Nicely bound. Look at the quality of this cover printing. I was just, reading this thing. This dates from apparently 65 or thereabouts. Part numbers are to be used when ordering by telegram or cable. Harley, back in 1965, at the forefront of technology. Telegram or cable. I could see whacking an order out in Morse code, huh? Oh, way to go. But look at the quality of the printing. Look at the quality of these images. You just don't find this anywhere laying around. K model parts blow-ups, just gorgeous, gorgeously done. Magneto drawings, just beautifully done, beautifully done. Really a nice piece of work. I've done some things like this, and it's difficult, and it takes a lot of time and effort. You scan something, especially an old manual, the pages are dirty, the print is smeared, to get them cleaned up and print this cleanly, there's a ton of work in this thing. Look, original seats, you could buy the seat cover, item number 28, right there. How nice. Just beautifully done. I can't thank Don enough. This is going to come in handy. It fills a few holes in my collection of manuals. Very, very nice. Thank you. Greatly appreciate it. So Don will probably go on the list of supporters at the end of the videos, the rolling credits, so to speak. But anyway, thank you very much. Greatly appreciate it. Don, thank you. Get yourself a sticker. Get yourself a coffee cup. Links down below. Join me on Patreon if you feel like it. I am out of here. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.